Are you tired of the same old breakfast every day? We've all been there, waking up to the same bowl of cereal, the same piece of toast. It's an all too familiar routine that's begging for a change. What if we could inject some excitement into your mornings? We've put together 5 simple yet wholesome breakfast ideas. Imagine starting your day with a meal that's not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients. It's time to revolutionize your mornings with these easy-to-make nutritious breakfasts. First up, we have avocado toast with a twist. This isn't your average run-of-the-mill toast. We're taking it up a notch with some healthy and delicious ingredients. You'll need a ripe avocado, whole grain bread, cherry tomatoes, a drizzle of olive oil, and a sprinkle of chili flakes for that extra kick. Now let's get to the making. Toast your bread to a perfect golden brown. While that's happening, mash your avocado to a creamy consistency. Spread this lush green goodness over your toast. Top it off with some halved cherry tomatoes for a burst of freshness. Drizzle a little olive oil for that rich flavor, and finally, sprinkle some chili flakes for a spicy twist. Why this breakfast? Well, avocados are packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, while whole grain bread provides the much-needed energy to kickstart your day. There you have it, a refreshing twist on a classic favorite. Next on the menu is Greek yogurt parfait perfection. This delightful breakfast dish is a symphony of flavor, texture, and nutrition. The star of the show is Greek yogurt, a protein-packed powerhouse that's also packed with probiotics for a happy, healthy gut. To create the parfait, start with a layer of this creamy, tangy Greek yogurt at the bottom of your favorite glass or jar. Then add a layer of fresh, bright fruits. You can use berries, bananas, or any other fruits that tickle your fancy. They give you a burst of natural sweetness and a whole host of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Next comes a layer of crunchy granola, adding a satisfying texture contrast and a dose of whole grains. Repeat these layers until your glass is filled to the brim. This Greek yogurt parfait is a perfect balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you full and focused all morning long. A parfait that's as pleasing to the palate as it is to the eye. Now let's dive into overnight oats obsession. Overnight oats are a revelation for those of us with a hectic schedule. They're quick, convenient, and oh so delicious. So what do you need? The basics are simple. Old-fashioned rolled oats, your choice of milk, and a dash of sweetener. But we're going to kick it up a notch. Add a spoonful of chia seeds for an extra dose of fiber and omega-3 fats. Here's the magic. Combine everything in a mason jar, give it a good shake, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. By morning, you've got a creamy, dreamy breakfast waiting for you. Jazz it up with a variety of toppings like fresh fruits, nuts, or a dash of cinnamon. Let's not forget the benefits of oats and chia seeds. They're packed with nutrients that support heart health, digestion, and even weight management. A breakfast obsession you'll look forward to every night. Last but not least, we have Smoothie Bowl Bliss. Imagine a bowl brimming with blended fruits, topped with a colorful array of fresh fruits and crunchy seeds. The base of our smoothie bowl starts with a mix of bananas and berries, bringing a sweet and tangy taste along with a powerhouse of antioxidants. Next, we add a splash of almond milk for a creamy texture, and don't forget a spoonful of Greek yogurt for that extra protein boost. The toppings are where you can get creative. From chia seeds packed with omega-3 fatty acids to crisp granola offering a satisfying crunch, the possibilities are endless. Perhaps some sliced kiwi for a dose of vitamin C or a sprinkle of coconut flakes for a tropical twist. Each ingredient not only adds a unique flavor and texture, but also contributes to the nutritional profile of this blissful bowl. A beautiful harmony of health and flavor. That's the real charm of a smoothie bowl. A blissful bowl of goodness to kickstart your day. To wrap things up, let's revisit the benefits of our breakfast bonanza. Our avocado toast with a twist offers healthy fats, while the Greek yogurt parfait perfection is a protein powerhouse. The overnight oats obsession brings you sustained energy, and the smoothie bowl bliss is packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Each meal is not only delicious, but also aids in fueling your body for the day ahead. So why stick to the same old breakfast when you can start your day with these delicious and nutritious options? Make your mornings exciting again.